So for the last question, it concerns with the queue for the police officer to check your vehicle. Okay, so there is basically one entrance gate and four exit gate. Okay, because you have four different inspection area. So if we write down the input and output there, so we will basically have the start and stop button. Okay, the reason we have a start and stop button because it is in the question. Okay, you have to activate the system, means you have to have a start button, and you should also have a stop button, and it's written in the question. Okay, start stop button, and you have entry sensor, and then you have exit sensor, and there are four of them. So exit sensor 1, exit sensor 2, exit sensor 3, and exit sensor 4. Okay, all right. Output is you have motor that is connected to the barrier gate, and then so anything can be written here, either motor counterclockwise or motor clockwise or motor on, doesn't matter. And then you also have a place wait pilot light, okay, to be light up. Okay, so the requirement is that we have to make sure that all the when all of the inspection place is full, then we will not allow anybody to go in. So basically, since there are four, so basically if it is less than four, then the barrier will be open or motor will be on. Okay, so if it is equals to 4, motor off, and then we should have a please wait sign. Okay, so I already written in the question as well that the closing of the gate after the vehicle pass through is already in place, so we don't have to consider that. And we also have the requirement that we have to initialize the register once we press the start button. Okay, so this is the requirement. All right, now okay, I haven't done the addressing yet, so we do the addressing first. Okay, so write down the address 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, and the output as well. Okay, now similar to the previous question, I have a start and stop button connected to internal register. Sorry, do it again. Internal register. So you have the address here. Okay, now the internal register should differentiate bit 40. So 40, okay, should be connected to the move 0 to the register. Okay, now from here we want to make sure that the entry sensor add up to the system. Okay, so add D0 #1 D0. Okay, now the exit, you have 4 different exit. Okay, so that means any of the exit will contribute to the minus. So here 0.02. Okay, so basically we will have exit 1, exit 2, exit 3, exit 4, all in parallel. That means this is an OR condition that is connected to the minus subtraction of the accumulator. Okay, so you can put all the address here, 0.05, 0.06. So we have to make sure it is consistent with the one that we label at the top. Okay, so after that, then we do the comparison. Okay, so the comparison is we compare D0 with 4. Okay, so if it is less than, then obviously we will turn on the motor. Okay, if it is equal, then we have to make sure that the motor is turned off, obviously, because we don't have the what you call power here, because right now, after when it is equal to 4, then this flag, the LT flag will not turn on, the equal flag will turn on. Okay, so we'll have please wait here. Okay, so this is how it's going to look for the question number 4. Okay, so we have captured all the input and the output of the system. All right.